My beloved, I see every place where life has worn you down. I see the silent disappointments. I see the prayers that felt unanswered. I see the tears no one else noticed. But hear me clearly. I am your restorer. I restore what grief tried to steal. I restore what fear tried to silence. I restore what failure tried to define. You are not finished. You are not forgotten. You are not disqualified. Where your heart was bruised, I breathe healing. Where your confidence was shaken, I speak courage. Where your hope grew thin, I pour fresh oil. Even the years you think were wasted are not wasted in my hands. I redeem time. I redeem mistakes. I redeem stories. Do not let yesterday tell you who you are. I call you renewed. I call you chosen. I call you restored. Stand up again. Hope again. Believe again. I am making all things new in you. Walk with me and watch restoration unfold.